Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to split tracks in Audacity. So let's get started. At first, open Audacity and import the file you want to edit. Click on the audio waveform at the point where you want to make the split. Once the split point is selected, go to the Edit menu and Audio Clips, then select a split, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl I to split the track at the chosen point. The track is now divided into two separate segments. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.